Just so you guys know, this isn't something that the car needs. This is something that I want to do. I'm big into lighting, and I've never been happy with the output of these reflector halogen style housings. And so I'm finally going to be putting in some projector housings to have a clearly defined cutoff, a good spread of light, and not right now, but down the road, probably in about a month or so, I'll go ahead and put xenon lights in it as well. So something I really want to do before I install these headlights is I want to go ahead and ceramic coat them. I want to make sure that lens is as protected as possible before they go on the car. So let's do that now. The next thing I want to do is clean up this wiring. For some reason they came with a bunch of excess wires in the back. I don't see the reason to have that much length out there, but whatever. I will go ahead and clean it up before I put the headlights on. Okay, to do this job, this is all you're going to need. Ratchets, extensions, a T30, good, and a T25. That's it. Okay, in order to get the headlights out, you don't have to remove the bumper, but you do have to loosen it. The headlight itself is mounted with bolts here. There's one down there. Where are you? There you are. And there's one at the front here. So to get to this all, we're going to go ahead and remove the grille. You have these 4 screws here. Pop that off. Then you can go ahead and remove this upper bracket. And there's a bolt at the front here. Once that's done, then all we have to do, we're going to turn the wheel, because there's 4 T25 screws here at the fender liner. There's a screw right up here that we need to get to in order to loosen the bumper. We're going to pull the bumper off just enough, and then the whole headlight should be able to come out, because you see the bumper kind of sits right there. That basically sits on this side here on the headlight. You see that? That's where it sits. So that's why we need to pull it forward. All right, let's get to it. Okay, now we can go ahead and pull the grille. Top is loose, but there's some clips along the bottom, so you just pull it very carefully and it'll come out. Oh! I may need a new AC condenser. This is the AC condenser. Look at that. original. Okay, well, no taken. Anyway, back to this. So the grill has to come off because right here, there's a last E30 right there. It's the last T30. Hey guys, so now the only thing that's holding the headlight onto the car is this bracket via these two bolts. But you see, it's already loose. It's ready to go. The only thing that would hold it up is the bumper. So now's a good time to go ahead and get to the P25 bolts. That's right. Hey guys, just so you see here, the hood release cable gets clipped right to this bracket. You don't have that issue on the other side. It's only on this side. So we're gonna get a little prying tool, either a flathead or a little plastic trim piece remover, and just pop this off, and then this bracket is free. There we go. Aha. Bam. Took a little bit, but now it's free. Now the headlight can come out. All right, I'm happy with the fitment on this one now. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on that side. Don't need to show you that because it's the same thing. So stick around for the end result. Hey guys, I wanted you all to see this. So previously I had the headlight all the way up here. And then what happened was that the little notches where the bumper is supposed to slide into were too high, and I could not get them to line up. And so I realized that even the factory one has a small little gap here. So um, I guess what I'm trying to say is expect to have to do some adjustment. So even with me trying to get the what you call it, all the adjusters on the headlight to match the factory one, I'm still having to sit here and make adjustments. So just be ready for it. I need to bring the headlight down enough so that gap is not, I mean, that's not going to be like that, but I need to be able to get the bumper in. So anyway, now what I'm trying to do is I'm going to loosen both headlights just to have them, you see that? I'm going to go ahead and get the bumper in place with the headlights loose. Then I'm going to tighten the headlights. So I'm going to give that a shot and see if that works. Okay, this is about as dark of a road as I can find around me, but I mean, out here the pattern doesn't look all that bad, but the light output is so weak that it's pretty hard to see off to the sides and whatnot. So anyway, let's go back home and let's change this up. That's the cutoff on the side. It's not too bad, but I'd like a more defined cutoff. This is much better. The light goes out wider as well. It's a little easier to see off to the sides. And it's a nice balance of light out on the road. Here's the cutoff. Much better. Hey guys, I'm so happy with how the headlights turned out. Best of all, in my opinion, is that they look original. They look like something that Volkswagen would have put out there if they wanted to spend a little more money on headlights. So you saw we went ahead and aimed them, and I mean, to me there's already a big improvement in the pattern and whatnot, so I just want to get used to the new pattern, etc. And about a month from now I'll be putting xenon lights on this to even further improve on it, and then I'll be happy. With that said, guys, thank you so much for joining us, and I got more stuff coming on both on this car and on my F10. Thank you so much.